We've got a 62 Thunderbird. Thunderbird. I'm loving this color. I really am. Sorry, it's just a regular top, no convertible, but check that out. It's got the swing away steering wheel. Hot dog. She's clean inside. She is a 1962 Ford Thunderbird. Woo! All the way from Missouri. 90,000 miles. Asking how much? 31. Asking 31,000. 31,000. I like her.
Come here, man. This is neat. Look how you open the door.
Look at that old school push button door lock opener.